In today's video, I'm gonna need your help. Together, I want to create a model airplane wish list that will hopefully get the attention of brands like Gemini Jets, MG Models, and so on. So in case you have any wishes concerning model airplanes, leave them down in the comments. Now I'll share what I'm hoping to see in the near future. I really hope that we get some more new and exciting castings this year, like we did the last few years as well. I would especially love a new Airbus A340-300, as I really like that airplane. The Gemini Jets mold is okay, and the Phoenix Models one is actually pretty good, but also shows its age in some parts. Maybe MG Models finally bring their A340s to the market, as they have been working on them for years now. Another brand I could see making a Dash 300 is HX Models. They already made a very good looking A340-500 and -600 that even has a flaps down version. Another aircraft I feel is underrepresented in 400 scale is the Airbus A220. Right now we only have a Gemini Jets version as well as a Herpa version, and neither of those are particularly great. I find it interesting that we haven't had any other brands bother to produce a A220 mold, as it has been flying for 10 years now and is definitely not going away anytime soon. I think the most realistic brand to make one is either MG Models or Phoenix Models. As much as I love MG Models, their releases are usually quite basic. They rarely release any smaller airlines models and stick mostly to more popular ones. For that reason, I'd prefer to see Phoenix make a new A220. They have been making some great new molds in the past year, and they aren't afraid to release models from less known airlines. Either way, I really hope we see a brand new A220 in the near future. In general, I'd love to see more regional jets being made in 1:400 scale. Currently, Gemini Jets is the only brand regularly making some die-cast regional jets. We also have brands making 3D printed regional jets, which is great, but personally I still prefer my models to be made out of metal. We have so many cool regional aircraft that would be nice to see more of. ATRs, CRJs, ERJs, and I would absolutely love a Saab 2000, especially in the crosshair livery. We see more and more brands lean into the premium sector. They offer hard cardboard boxes, a metal stand, and a collector's card with each model. I think this is a great idea, and it really makes you feel like you bought a high quality collectible and not just a cheap toy. Since this would probably come at a slightly higher cost, I think it would make sense to still offer a cheaper variant of the model for those who do not want to pay more money. So now it's your turn to tell me your wishes. Write all your ideas down below in the comments, and I'll be featuring some of them in an upcoming video, and let's hope some manufacturers will listen to us. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Swiss 400 for more model airplane content. And if you're already here, maybe you're interested in one of these videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Goodbye, aviators!